What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be making a dual speaker mod for Redmi Note 5. Now this is pretty simple and this is nothing actually new. It was just that I was lazy to make this video, and now that my Redmi Note 5 Pro has screwed up, more than that, the service center guys have actually ordered a new motherboard for it. So yeah, I don't know how much time it will take to fix it still, but yeah, progress is surely there. And let's just enable the front speaker on this thing, cause literally some of you guys said it sounds better than Galaxy S9 Plus, which is a bit weird that this thing compared like 10,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees. It's a bit hard, so we'll be also going to compare those two, but first of all, let's just enable it. So for that, you will need root. In order to root your phone, you will need an unlocked bootloader, then install a custom recovery. After that, install Magix, which is the actual root mod. And then once you install Magix, go to the actual app. Download the module below. Now it supports MIUI 9 on 7.1 Nougat and MIUI 10 on Android 8.1.0. Now as you can see, I'm running MIUI 10, so no issue at all, the latest. Then let's just go to the modules, go to plus, and just add the module. So it must be in my downloads. There you go, there is the module. You just tap it and it just install itself. Then tap reboot. And voila, you have actually enabled the front speaker on your Redmi Note 5. Now that was pretty simple. I know that's a bit weird, but I was pretty surprised when I checked the normal speaker of Redmi Note 5. It was loud and clearer than OnePlus 6. Yes, it was a bit weird, but OnePlus 6 has some like waterproofing thingies. That's why the speaker is muffled, but this is a very good speaker for 10,000 rupees phone, because literally Xiaomi is packing so much things and I don't know how it just unlocked itself, because after reboot it must lock it. That's a bit weird, but yeah, there you go. Some bugs in MIUI 10, but this is just outright brilliant. So let's just test it out by going to YouTube and just play some NCS, because I don't want a copyright. The speaker is already on full for the media, as you can see. Let's just test. And first impressions, I am just outright mind blown. The amount of bass that it produces, cause the driver is not as big as Galaxy S9 Plus, and Galaxy S9 Plus is one of the best speakers that I've actually heard. I haven't checked the Razer phone or any kind of another phone, cause those phones are not available in India. But this is just outright amazing if you compare the price point of this thing. So we will now just quickly test the loudness of the speaker, cause definitely Galaxy S9 Plus has more bass cause of the bigger drivers, but we would be turning off the Dolby cause we don't want any kind of another software improvements rather than the stock equalizer, which Redmi Note 5 doesn't have at all. So for here, I will be using my OnePlus 6 to measure the actual decibels and how much loudness it actually provides. So for that, let's just launch the app. There you go. So between 51 and 53 is just my normal decibels available in this room, I guess. So starting with the song 1, let's just turn off the Dolby. There you go. So that was approximately 96 decibels over there, which was pretty good. So again with the Redmi Note 5, launching the app. So that was approximately 90 decibels over there, which was pretty good considering the price of this thing. So let's just try the song 2. Now in the second test, we would be holding our phone upright cause we have to just check the muffling of the speaker. So again, speaker full over here on the Galaxy S9 Plus. So almost averaged about 96 over there, which is pretty amazing for a phone because it's like miles better than my 70,000 rupees laptop. But yeah, let's just check out with the Redmi Note 5. Again on the Redmi Note 5, volume full. And holy shit, it just topped out Galaxy S9 Plus at about 98. And I clearly felt that it was hurting my ears that the sound is so sharp because the drivers are so small, it can't provide the actual bass with it. So yeah, pretty amazing of Redmi Note 5 over there, just winning by 2 over here from Galaxy S9 Plus. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the Redmi Note 5 dual speaker mod. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more videos on the Redmi Note 5 like this small little mods, please let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Peace.